Oh, this is me?
Yeah, you
That's
wanted
you.
to.
Oh, yeah, because it's easy. Welcome to Barely Handy, a show by homeowners for everyone. My name's Jeff. This is Ted. That's Steve. Nope, that's not it. And we're here to show you how just some average homeowners get things done. From electrical
homeowner.
to electrical
You are legally.
to...
I don't own a home.
Boy, this intro's been ruined.
Anyway, go ahead. This is completely scripted.
Jesus Christ. Can
You
you
don't
stick
need-
to the teleprompter, please?
You don't need to welcome again. You already did that. You can just continue on where you left off.
It's one cut, no editing.
Yeah.
Makes it easy. Welcome to Barely Handy. My name's Ted. This is Jeff. And that's Steve.
Both contacts, even though the power's off, it's totally safe, right? Everything is totally safe, always and forever, and 100% of the time.
We're homeowners doing homeowner repairs around the house, and we're here to take you with us as we show how some somewhat not so experienced craftspeople, handymans, get things done. Mostly. Barely.
Kind of.
Kind of.
Sometimes.
I know things.
We've learned some things through the years with our own personal experiences, and we're going to try and learn some new things while we try to do some new projects. House is kind of old and needs a lot of updating. There's a lot of small projects here and there to do for updating. And I'm show you how anybody can do simple projects around the house if you need to do them. And not necessarily show you the right way, but show you our way.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Okay,